Physics chapter 18, question number 7 and 8. Question number 7, the moon and the sun both contribute to the tides on the earth's oceans, which has a bigger pull on each kilogram of seawater, the sun or the moon. So basically what they are asking is, if this is the earth, then the moon as well as the sun, they have a pull. They pull the earth towards itself. So what is the, at this point, what is the effect of the moon, then what is the gravitational effect of the sun? That is what we have to find out. So let's do that. To find the gravitational effect due to the sun, we use the equation G, I will mark it as Gs for sun, is equal to Gm upon r squared, right? So then the G, you know the value of that, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Then mass is 2 into 10 to the power 30, that's the mass of the sun, divided by R is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11, that has to be squared, right? That has to be squared. This will give you the answer as 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 newtons per kilogram, right? So each kilogram of seawater is being pulled by the sun with a force of 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 3 newtons. Yeah. So now we have to figure out the effect of the moon. Again, you use the same equation. I will mark Gm to be the moon. Then you have Gm upon r squared, right? So once again, G, you know, this is G. G, you know, simple G, that is. G is capital G is 6.67, so I will leave it as G because it's not enough space. Then moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 is the mass of the moon, divided by then the separation is 3.8 into 10 to the power 8, that has to be squared. Then this will give you 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 newtons per kilogram as the answer. So that means the sun has a power of, it pulls with a force of 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 3, and the moon pulls with a 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 5. So as a result, sun has a bigger pull. I hope you understood that. Alright, question number 8. Astrologers believe that the planets exert an influence on us, particularly at the moment of birth. They don't necessarily believe that this is an effect of gravity, right? So they think now this, aligning of the stars and all of those things, they don't think that it is, this is the gravity that is, playing all of these tricks, but they believe that the planets, the position of the planets has something to do with us, right? Calculate the gravitational force on a 4 kilogram baby caused by Mars when the planet is at its closest to the Earth at a distance of 100 million kilometers. Mars has a mass of 6.4 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 23 kilograms. So let's do this now. You have to use the because we are actually dealing with two masses, you need to know which equation you need to use. The force equation obviously is equal to G capital M simple M divided by r squared. Then G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 multiplied by, then the mass of the mass of Mars is 6.4 into 10 to the power 23, that multiplied by the mass of the baby is 4 kilograms. Then divided by the separation is 1 into 10 to the power 11 squared, right? So that will give you 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 newtons. So this is the pull of Mars pull by mass to or towards this baby, right? Um, so we will see how it changes with the second part of the question, and you will understand the how stupid these opinions are. Calculate the gravitational force on the same baby due to its 50 kilogram mother at a distance of 0.4 meters. Right, so 0.4 meters the mother is there, and the baby is 4 kilograms, mother is 50 kilograms. This is something that you can actually use to prove that this astrology is total bullcrap. Right. Again, you use the same equation. If m due to mother, if because that is why I use m. G capital M simple M upon R squared. You know what G is. 6.67 into the power minus 11, and mother is 50 kilograms, baby is 4 kilograms, and the separation is 0.4 meters, and you square it, and this will give you 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 8 newtons. So as a result, what happens is the mother has this force towards the baby, and mass has this force towards the baby. So the mother has more, at least 4 times uh, uh, more attraction or gravitational attraction towards the baby than Mars, and Mars is the closest planet to us. I hope you understood. We will move on to the theory part next. If you have any questions, please raise them.